So this is the BioStation 3. It is IP65 rated and it is IK06 rated, impact rated. In the box you get your user manual with a wiring diagram. You get a wall mount template. You get your various connectors. So there is 2 egan, 1 input, 1 output, your RS485 and also your TTLs. In the second bag you get wall mount plugs and also resistors in case it's an end of a daisy chain unit. And then obviously you get the facial access reader, flagship series of Suprema, the BioStation 3. Wall mount bracket is just a slide, detach, and behind you have your various inputs which are all named accordingly for each of your input wires. And also it's a smart device, so you can connect this directly to the network and have it working on BioStation, BioStar 2.